Today we will talk about the various joins in pandas. Let's get started. So first we will import pandas and let's create two data frames. I have already copied this, so let's copy it from existing one. That's none, the first data frame, and we have another one, that's the second data frame. So if you see that both the data frames has two columns, ID and value for df1 and value from df2. Sorry, I just need to check this. Okay, I will rerun it. So right now we have these two data frames ready. Let's join them. So first we will start with inner join, where it will pick the common data from both of the data frames. How we'll do it? By using the command merge. So pd dot merge, and we have to pass the both data frames as an argument, and on which column we are joining, that's ID, and how we are joining, that's inner. Let's execute this and let's see the output. As we can see that there are only two outputs, that's a 3 and 4, because the two columns are the only common between these two data frames. Now let's try for the other joins. So I will try with the right outer join now. So I will create a df right on same ID, and just how would be changed, this would be like right now. Let's execute this and print the output. This should be containing all the values from the right table, whereas the matching values from the left table. You see that into column value from df1 is showing various none. None is nothing but the null values, since right shows only common basically data from the left side, so that is why it is showing rest of the columns as none. Now let's talk about left outer join. Let's execute this, and here we just have to mention left and change the variable name to. Let's print this. Okay, now we got the all column from the data frame 1, whereas the matching column from the data frame 2. So that's exactly how we get from the SQL. Let's do a full outer join where we will get all the column from both of the data frames. The syntax is similar, just need to change one thing, that's here is how should be outer in the case of outer join. Let's execute this, and we will be getting all the values from both of the tables, I would say data frames. Now there is one very interesting join also appears into the data pandas, that's the index join. Here what happened is that we merge the table based on indexes. What we do is we need to remove this on, and we just have to do right index is equal to true and left index is equal to true. Sorry, let's make it this. Let's execute this. As we can see that these joins happen strictly on the pandas indexes, not on any column. So that is why we see on the call index 0th into the data frame 1 we have 1 and A, and index 0 into the data frame 2 we have 2 and H. Let's verify that. 1 and A appears here, and 2 and H appears into the data frame 2. That's exactly what it is printing. So in any case, if you wanted to join and try to get the data by indexes, by joining these two data frames, we can use the index join and get that. So there could be a various use cases for the index join as well. I hope you like it. Please let the comments. Happy coding. Thank you.